In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cyberpunk 2077 crashing. So first thing, open Steam, and here you're gonna find the game. Go to library, and then here I'm gonna show it for this game. Follow the same steps for Cyberpunk. So right click on the game, and then go to properties, and then installed files, and then click verify integrity of game files. After it's done, you can just go here and then click on general. Actually, go back to installed files and then click browse. So here you need to find the game, so it will say something like cyberpunk.exe. So you find it, right click on it, properties, and then compatibility, and then you wanna disable full screen optimization and run this program in compatibility mode. Then click apply and click OK. You can then close this down. Next thing, go to Steam here at the top, click settings, and then go down here until you see downloads, and then click clear cache. Next, you want to go to storage, and then click on the three dots and click repair library. After that, you want to just minimize this down and then go to device manager, and you need to update your display drivers. So sometimes the crash happens because of the drivers are not updated, so you can either update them from here and then just click here and then next, and this will update them, or if you have like a software. So for me, I have like a software here, NVIDIA, and if I go here to drivers, I can just update them here, click download to download. So this is like one way to do it. So if you're still having these crashing issues, then try to go and type in run, type %temp%. Select everything here, Control A, then delete. And then you need to type in disk, clean up, and then click OK. And then select everything here, and then click OK to clean up, and then this will fix your issue.